Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a really clean 2012 John Deere Gator XUV 550. It's got good tread on the tires, 3,000 pound winch, the front brush guard, has the half windshield and the sport roof, tilt assist dump bed, two-inch receiver. This machine has turn signals on it. It was owned by an older couple that just used it to run around the lake. It's only got 185 hours on it. It's got 2 or 4-wheel drive plus the rear diff lock. I'm gonna take another video of this machine getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can call us at 406-232-3300.